If you want to buy your web hosting from HostingGate, then this video is going to be an amazing deal for you, because in this video I'm going to tell you how you can buy with HostingGate with as much as up to 91% discount. So make sure to click on the link in the description to get started. Once you click on exclusive discount link to buy your hosting from HostingGate, you will be landed to a page like this where you can see an amazing deal right now. Okay, the landing page may fluctuate depending on the country from you are logging in, but the deal is going to be very special. So make sure to click on the link in the description to buy your web hosting. Now you may see over here that HostingGate is being recommended by all of the famous websites all around the world: Trustpilot, Google Host, WPNet, WordPress. All of them say that HostingGate is an amazing company. These are the three most popular plans. I highly recommend you guys to do a thorough research in comparison of what plan, features, functions you may need before you are going to buy either of one plan for yourself. So my recommendation is to go with the research work. And if you scroll below, you may see over here that HostingGate also has a website migration service. So in case if you are coming from another hosting company, when you buy your web hosting from HostingGate, they have a dedicated website migration tool which is going to help you in shifting all of your websites. Plus, if you scroll below, this is the control panel, also known as H panel. And HostingGate also do not compromise the speed, reliability, and efficiency. HostingGate security features are just mind-blowing, and you're getting automatic backups, SSL security certificates, cloud protected name servers, and right now 4 billion plus people are using HostingGate as a primary hosting company. And if you want to be the part of this family, just simply scroll above and choose any of the plan to buy. So once you're done with your research, simply select the choose plan with any of the plan. Let's say we're going with this plan. So currently it saves 75%, but I'm going to tell you on how you can get as much as up to 91% off when you buy your hosting from HostingGate through this special discount link. So you may see over here that this is now a special deal running right now, and I recommend you guys to grab this. So now when it comes to choosing your billing period, you can choose 1, 12, 24 and 48 months to buy your web hosting. My recommendation is to go with the 48 months plan to buy your web hosting, because these prices won't appear again. These are special exclusive prices for you guys, which I have gathered from HostingGate team for my audience. Now when you select the 48 months plan to buy, you may see over here that you are saving as much as up to $432. You are getting free domain, 3 months free extra. Plus you may see over here that I'm going to select to have a coupon code and write this amazing coupon code, which you can find in the description of this video, along with a special discount link to buy your web hosting from. And once I apply this coupon code, you're gonna see that your price is going to get a further discount on already running discount deal. So do a math: 3 extra months, free domain, free setup, free domain privacy protection, and free additional 10% coupon code. So making it as much as up to 91% off to buy your web hosting. Now there is another coupon code as well to buy, so you can choose either of the coupon code, and that one also is being mentioned in the description of this video, along with a special discount link to buy your web hosting from HostingGate. So you may see over here that discount coupon code is loaded. Now I'm going to select the continue. So once I select the continue, I will move on to the last part, and in this process I may be asked to log into my Google account, synchronize with my Google account or Facebook account, or I have to create a new account at HostingGate. But since I have already logged in and I'm their old user, and which is why I have gathered here with a special discount link for my audience. So I'm over here on the last part. So you may see over here my discount is loaded to buy. I'm going to write my billing details, and after this move on to the continue over here. Once everything is done, you may see over here the last part is selecting payment methods. Now HostingGate offer you variety of payment methods, guys. You can pay by card, PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Alipay, CoinGate. So you have variety of options to choose, and this may be more even when you choose a specific country. So grab any of your payment method, write your credit card details, and simply select the submit button. And when you pay your payment, within few minutes you are going to get an email from HostingGate with all of your account details. Just for a revision, 4 million plus people are using HostingGate as a primary hosting company, and even I'm using it on my own blog. And if you want to buy your hosting, make sure to click on the link in the description, use the coupon code, and follow the same step-by-step procedure as I told in this video to get as much as up to 91% discount. So good luck with your hosting from HostingGate. Good luck.